Hello friends, today we will learn the from your textbook exercise 1.1 question number 2 second example. The differentiate square root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 with respect to x. So we have considered here the function which we want to differentiate as y. So we have written here y is equals to the expression which we want to differentiate. Now we just know about the expression for which we want to differentiate. We put it in the boxes so you can make out that. Here we start with, suppose that x, the value of x is given to you, we can start with substituting x in place so that we can find out what is 3x, what is 2, so which are enclosed in small boxes there. Then the 3x plus 2, the two boxes we add to get one more box which is the bracket here. The e raised to the whole bracket 3x plus 2. So we enclose that also in one more box, plus the separate box here you can find 5, and then after finding out the addition, the one more box inside the square root sign, and then after that we find out the square root of the whole box there, and after that we finally find out the square root of that is nothing but the value of y. So do you get it that when we call the square root of, the meaning of means it's a composite function or is a mixed function, we can say. So the square root of, the moment I read of means composite, so we have to think of the boxes. Here the next reading is that the square root of e raised to 3x plus 2, e raised to 3x plus 2. Here 3x plus 2 is enclosed in one bracket, the whole raised to 3x plus 2, and after that plus 5. So the whole raised to, when we say something the whole raised to, that also indicates the composite function. So this is how we have to start with the outermost box. We are going to open it, means that we will find out the derivative of the outermost box. When I open the box, outermost box, what I see inside is the square root sign. Since it is a square root sign, we know that if the function is square root x, then the derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So we make use of that for the square root sign, the inner box which I look at. So d dx of the whole outermost box we have written in the next case, and when we open it, there is a square root inside that. So we make use of that root x, and hence we will write that the 1 upon 2 root, the inner box, 2 root inner box multiplied by derivative of, we have to open the inner box, that is d dx of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Now you can see in the picture the d dx of the whole box. Here d dx of whole box, that we have to open, that is we have to find out the derivative. There when I open the box, what I find is that there are two separate boxes. So we will have to find out the derivative of two separate boxes separately, that is using the addition rule. So we have written in the next step that 1 upon 2 times the square root of the inner box, which is that e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by derivative of the first box plus the derivative of another box. Now here in the first box, when we are supposed to find out the derivative, that is when we open this first box, what I find inside the box is e raised to something. So it's a power function, and the base is the constant, and 3x plus 2, that is the box, is nothing but a variable. So constant raised to variable type, and we know directly the e raised to x, the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, which we have written here. So we will make use of that to differentiate this box, and when I find the derivative of that, you will see that e raised to box as it is multiplied by, since that box is not open, we will find out the derivative of that box, that is we have to find out ddx of 3x plus 2 plus the next term here in the case is a ddx of one box which is enclosed with 5. So when I open the box, what I find is the only constant here, and hence we know the constant derivative of constant is always 0. So we have written that the derivative of constant is 0. Now there is once again there is a box which we have to open, so ddx is already there. Again here when you see the when you open that box, what you find is two separate boxes, so we will have to find out the derivative of two separate boxes. That means we are supposed to open the two boxes separately. So here we have written that e raised to 3x plus 2 as it is, and the derivative of 3x, the first box. Now in the derivative of 3x, what I find is that there any multiplication division? Yes, the constant coefficient 3 is there, we take outside the derivative sign and find the derivative of x, which is there already, you know, that is 1, plus the derivative of 2, the 2 is a constant and derivative of that constant is 0. So we are writing that. So finally what you get, we are just rewriting it, expressing it, rearranging the terms or the factors. So here I can see that there is a 3 here and 3 by 2 coefficient, and then place the numerator e raised to 3x plus 2 upon square root of e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5, and that's it.